السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Honorable judges, respected teachers and all my dear friends, today I am here to talk on the topic of Islam and the world. It is a very important topic which is about to listen it carefully. I hope you will listen my speech with patience. My dear comrades, Islam is the second largest religion in our world after Christianity with 1.8 billion Muslims worldwide. Islam started in Makkah during the Prophet Muhammad's life. When Islam came in Makkah, the whole earth was filled with injustice, cruelty, harassment, adultery, gambling, drinking and fighting each other. Deceiving and cheating were considered a hard-earned skill, especially in business. Usually had become a part of their daily life. Because of usury, a poor becomes more poor and rich becomes more rich. They were divided among race, color, gender and social ranks, dancing, singing, womanizing and poetry were become their routine. Women had no any status in the society. If any new baby girl was born, she was buried alive due to shame. Humanity had no any value for them. They lived many less life. Dear dignitaries, in this dark condition, the sun of Islam rose in Makkah, enlightened the world and gave it all that which a human being needs. Islam gave the world how to live the life. Islam gave the world how to treat with humanity. Islam gave the world a beautiful culture. Islam gave the woman a good respect and honor. Islam gave a lot to the world in terms of science, technology, medicines, art and culture. The world owes a great deal to Islam in various fields of life. My dear friends, I would like to ask you, what we need for the people? The education. Of course, the education is a great gift of Islam because in the first verse of the Holy Quran, the Muslims were ordered to seek knowledge by Almighty Allah, as it was mentioned in Surah Iqra. Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq, khalaqa al-insana min alaq, Iqra wa rabbuka al-akram, alladhi 'allama bil qalam, 'allama al-insana ma lam ya'lam. Read in the name of your Lord who created. He created man from a cloud. Read, and your Lord is the most bounteous, who taught by men which he did not know. The Prophet Muhammad said, Talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli Muslim. Seeking knowledge is obligatory on every Muslim man and woman. My dear dignitaries, Islam is the most comprehensive religion in our world after Christianity in our world. In earth. It covers all important aspects of human life. It requires Muslim to the world and God has key. In fact, Islam has given a lot to the world in medical science also, and Muslims have made indelible marks on the pages of the story. In almost in all branches of science, George Sutton, the father of the story of science, wrote in the introduction of the story of science, one of the most famous exponents of Muslim universalism and eminent figure in Islamic learning was Ibn Sina. His most important medical works are the Al-Qanun. The Al-Qanun Fiqh is an immense encyclopedia of medicine. My dear friends, now Islam is the fastest growing religion in the world and the second largest religion in the world after Christianity. Now, Islam is the last and final religion to be accepted and adopted. It's a complete religion. It's a peaceful religion. The eternal message of Islam is based on three fundamentals. The first, believe in only one God. The second, believe in prophethood. The third, believe in resurrection on the day of judgment. After coming Islam, all previous religions have been invalidated and now no religion other than Islam is acceptable in the sight of Allah, and no any religion is able to be followed except Islam. That's why everybody should accept Islam and know the reality of Islam. At last, I pray to Allah to give us tawfiq to understand the right meaning of Islam. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.